Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Well, it happened. I hit 40 and my eyesight went downhill, and now I'm the proud owner of eyeglasses. And the thing I've learned about owning eyeglasses is that they are a magnet for dust and dirt. And I was in a dilemma of how to properly clean them. And that's why I got this ultrasonic cleaning machine for jewelry, eyeglasses, dentures, and more. I gotta be honest, I was a little skeptical at first, but I got my eyeglasses super grimy to test this machine out, and I was pleasantly surprised by how shiny and clean my glasses came out. I also tried this on makeup brushes and jewelry, including the ring that I constantly wear and was definitely in need of a deep cleaning. This machine is very quiet when it's running, and I love that you have the option to choose between 5 different settings. I also love that the tank is big enough to fit a lot of different items in there. I also like that it comes with an extra long electrical cord, which makes it easier to place wherever you want it. I keep mine in the bathroom so that my son can use it for his retainer, but this would also be great on a makeup vanity or a nightstand. Overall, we are very pleased with this ultrasonic cleaning machine from ByteRoll. It keeps our tough to clean items looking like new, and I think that you'll love it also. And that's my point of view.